Hello and welcome everyone. Hope you all are keeping fit and fine. Very good. We'll continue with chapter 7 of Geography, Lifelines of National Economy. Now yesterday I had told you about trade and we had learnt about different types of trade. International trade, that is trade between different countries, state level trade, different states, and local trade, that is the trade in the villages and towns and cities of a country. All these types of trade are there, and trade means the exchange of goods and services. It may be among people, among countries, among states. Alright, and we had also seen that the place where trade takes place, that place is known as the market. Next we had learned about the tourism industry, and in tourism industry we had seen that it is growing up or an upcoming industry, and the government is taking or making all efforts to develop this industry because this industry also brings a lot of foreign exchange to the country, plus it gives an encouragement to the handicrafts of the country. The people who are making these handicrafts, they get an encouragement to make things because tourists like these things, and in this way our culture and heritage goes to different countries. People understand about us. So because of that, tourism is also a very good industry, and different types of tourism are being developed now. Eco-tourism is there, medical tourism is there, business tourism is there. Like this, the government is trying to develop this tourism industry. We had read about this yesterday. Today I will give the notes related to this, and after that we'll do the book exercises. So take out your copies and pens and be ready to write the notes. Put the heading, what is trade? What is trade? First point in this. The exchange of goods, the exchange of goods among people, the exchange of goods among people, states and countries, the exchange of goods among people, states and countries is referred to as trade, is referred to as trade. Second point in this, the exchange of goods takes place in the market. The exchange of goods takes place in the market. Leave one line, then put the heading, what is international trade? What is international trade? First point, trade between two countries. There can be more than two countries also, okay. Trade between two countries is called international trade. Trade between two countries is called international trade. Second point, international trade may take place through sea, air or land routes. Through sea, air or land routes. International trade may take place through sea, air or land routes. Third point, advancement of international trade is the index. Advancement of international trade is the index of a country's economic prosperity. Advancement of international trade is the index of a country's economic prosperity. Fourth point, it is considered as the economic barometer of a country, the way to measure the growth of the economy. Economic barometer of the country or for a country. It is considered as the economic barometer for a country. Fifth point, no country can survive without international trade as the resources are space bound. Leave one line, write the next topic or heading, components of trade. Put the first point in this. Export and import are the components of trade. Export and import are the components of trade. Second point. Export means selling of goods. Export means selling of goods and services to other countries. Export means selling of goods and services to other countries. Third point, import means buying goods and services from other countries. Leave one line, put the next heading, balance of trade, the difference between the export and import values, balance of trade. First point in this, the balance of trade of a country is the difference between its export and import. Second point, when the value of export exceeds the value of imports, when the value of exports exceeds the value of imports, it means value of export is more than the value of import, comma, it is called a favorable balance of trade. Third point, when the value of imports exceeds the value of exports, when the value of imports exceeds the value of exports, comma, it is termed as an unfavorable balance of trade, unfavorable balance of trade. When the value of import exceeds the value of exports, it is termed as an unfavorable balance of trade. Leave one line, put the next heading, India's trade. That is how India is doing in trade. With which all countries, what all things it is exporting, importing. Let's see. India's trade. First point. We have trade relations. We have trade relations with all major. We have trade relations with all major trading blocks, and all geographical regions of the world, We have trade relations with all major trading blocks and all geographical regions of the world. Second point, the commodities exported from India to other countries include gems and jewelry, chemicals and related products, agriculture and allied products, products connected to agriculture, etc. I'll read out once again. The commodities exported from India to other countries include gems and jewelry, chemicals and related products, agriculture and allied products, etc. Third point, the commodities imported to India include petroleum crude and products, gems and jewelry, chemicals and related products, base metals, electronic items, machinery, agriculture and allied products. The fourth point, today we are earning a large foreign exchange. Today we are earning a large foreign exchange through the export of information technology. Today we are earning a large foreign exchange through the export of information technology. Leave one line, put the next heading, tourism as a trade. First point in this. Tourism has greatly grown. Tourism has greatly grown as industry in the last 30 years. Tourism has greatly grown as industry in the last 30 years. Second point. More than 15 million people, more than 15 million people are directly, more than 15 million people are directly engaged, more than 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry. More than 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry. Third point. This industry holds a vast potential for development. This industry holds a vast potential for development. Fourth point. The government is making efforts to promote different types of tourism. The government is making efforts to promote different types of tourism. Leave one line and then you put the next heading. Importance of tourism in India. Importance of tourism in India. It can be the advantages of tourism also. First point in this. It promotes national integration. It promotes national integration. It promotes national integration. Second point. It provides support to local handicrafts. It provides support to local handicrafts and cultural pursuits. It provides support to local handicrafts and cultural pursuits. Third point. It helps in the development of international understanding. It helps in the development of international understanding about Indian culture and heritage. It helps in the development of international understanding about Indian culture and heritage. Fourth point. Foreign tourists visit India. Foreign tourists visit India for heritage tourism. Foreign tourists visit India for heritage tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, cultural cultural tourism, comma, medical tourism and business tourism. I'll read out the fourth point once again. Foreign tourists visit India for heritage tourism, eco-tourism, adventure tourism, cultural tourism, medical tourism and business tourism. With this we come to the end of this chapter. The notes are also over. Now the book exercises. I told you we'll do the book exercises also. So just take out your books and be ready for the answers. The book exercises, page number 90. First we have the multiple choice questions. Which two of the following extreme locations are connected by the east-west corridor? East-west. So it is Silchar and Porbandar. Silchar and Porbandar is the answer. Second, which mode of transportation reduces transshipment losses and delays? Pipelines. Third, which one of the following states is not connected with the HVJ pipeline? Maharashtra. Fourth point, which one of the following ports is the deepest landlocked and well protected port along the east coast? Visakhapatnam. Which one of the following is the most important modes of transportation in India? Railways. Which one of the following terms is used to describe trade between two or more countries? International trade. After this, question 2 and 3 question answers are there. This I will give you in a next class. Alright. And we'll do this quiz drive now. The quiz drive at the bottom of that page. The first in this. Northern terminal of the North-South corridor. Srinagar. Northern terminal of the North-South corridor. Srinagar. The name of National Highway number 2, Grand Trunk Road. The same road is known as National Highway number 1 from Delhi to Amritsar, and from Delhi to Kolkata it is known as National Highway number 2. So Grand Trunk Road. Third, the headquarter of the Southern Railway Zone, Chennai. There is one activity in your book where they have told you to find out the headquarters of the 16 zones. So that you have to do yourself. The rail gauge with a track width of 1.676 meter, broad gauge. Fifth, the southern terminal of the National Highway number 7, Kanyakumari. A riverine port, Kolkata. Busiest railway junction in northern India, Mughal Sarai railway station. It is in Uttar Pradesh. So now we have these question answers left. This we'll do in the next class. I'll give you the answers in the next class. You will find all these answers in the notes which I have provided to you. Still, I'll give you the answers in the next class. And I hope you are doing your projects. Most of you must have completed. Those who have not completed any time the school may ask you to come and deposit the projects here. So you have to bring it to submit. So before that, complete it. Last moment, don't run here and there and get panicked because of this. So complete your project work, complete all the work that has been given, keep your copies also ready with all the work, notes and question answers and everything. I hope you all are doing this. So be good and take care.